The sleeve is part of your impact driver's bit holder assembly. It is the collar that holds the other components of the bit holder together. You pull on it to release a driver bit. If the retaining ring comes loose, the sleeve can be lost. If the impact driver is dropped, the sleeve can be bent so it won't slide easily. Replacing the sleeve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the retaining ring from the chuck. There's a flat on one side of the anvil. I'll use a pick through that flat to remove the retaining ring. Then I can remove the washer, the compression spring, the sleeve. Now I can install the new sleeve. Now the spring. I'll place the washer over the spring and compress it so the washer slides around the anvil. And now I can install the retaining ring. A small screwdriver works good to push the retaining ring down into the groove. And that's how you can replace the sleeve on your impact driver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.